This is how the sticker is. Comes with this background, and then this, and this thing. And it comes with this cat, and then these shoes. There's two of them. And then these two shoes, these ones are connected. The connected ones are meant for this part, the one where it's not sticking up. So yeah, comes with this blanket, some popcorn, this TV, and this thing's supposed to be on top of this thing. You got some two magazines here. Let's keep this thing. And this thing is supposed to be on here like that, except I don't want to exactly put it on for now. I'll just show you how it looks right now. It would look like this. Yeah, that is. Just keep this here. So yeah. And this is the house thing. It's with this cat and this thing, and then this music player, and then you got this thing. So this looks like this when you close it. And to put it in its carrier, you can't exactly fit everything, but I'll just show you a type you can put it in. Like, you put the cat like this, then you put the slippers. Well, this one came out. Checking if any others. So yeah, I want to stay. Okay, then you got this teddy bear. Keep it. Then these two magazines.